Hello there. Welcome to the next channel, which is all about sewing from basics to advanced. Today, I'm going to be walking you through pockets. Pockets from basic to more advanced. It's going to be a series, so I don't know how many videos I'll shoot, but today I'm starting you off with a very basic one that anybody can sew. Even a beginner can sew it. So that's why I'm not taking you to the machine, and I'll walk you through what I've done so far. So hold on, I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back. This is a circle bottom pocket. Okay, before I even stitch everything, I machine based the rounded part so that I can pull on it and get my circle or half a moon properly, and then I pin it at the circle. Okay, and I don't rush when I'm sewing my pocket. So this is the method I use. So that one is aside. Now I'm going to show you different styles that I've sewn. This one is with binding, with the pocket in here. I mean pleats. Okay, so this is it. Another one with pleats at the side, also with binding. And binding is also simple. It's something that I've walked you guys through over and over. Now this is a square one with the button. And always don't forget, before you sew your button, put it into a small piece of interfacing or a little bit the same fabric before you sew your button, so it can hold. And also it's important depending on what fabric, okay, the thickness of the fabric. This is another one, square with top stitching, both stitching. I don't know if you can see it. Okay, this is another one too, with a pointed bottom pocket. So this is it. And this one is the first group that I showed you, the circle bottom part with another pleat and a binding there. I was looking for it, I didn't know I put it at the bottom. Now another square one with flap, or yeah, flap. Okay, there we go. And I just did a couple of flap to show you. There's more to even the basic ones, but as I said, I can't show you everything, so I'm showing you as much as possible as I can. This is a square mitered pocket. You sew the top first. I'm using this as another sample. So flat mitered pocket before you stitch it to your fabric. So your corners, you fold both sides of the pocket an angle, and then you stitch. And then when you finish, you cut this down to 1/4 of a seam allowance. Okay, so then you make sure, where's my make sure the corners are out and nice. Okay, there we go. Now let me come back display it on my table, and then I'll show it to you one more time. Hold on. Okay, I'm back. I had to stand on a chair to do all this. I'll be right back. I'm back. So this is the end of the video. Happy sewing. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next week. Bye bye for now. Thanks.